Hello and welcome to jkkmobile.com. I've been now using the UMID for 24 hours, not of course straight, but anyway the first day's impressions after some use and some settings had to be shared with you. So as you may know, I've been using this modified iGo UMPC all the time now, so I'm used to this form factor, which is slider and used to this keyboard. So now jumping from that to this is a bit different, so I want to share you the first things that hit me. First, the keyboard layout. It's not a normal layout, especially the dots and so on. They are down here, not here. Also the question mark needs to be done with FN, Shift and question mark. As you can see, it's blue there. So many things have special functions, so it takes some time to learn, but I've been learning the keyboard now. I've been thumb typing and then using it on the table like this, or just grabbing it and using like this. I'm not yet settled my ways. I think the thumb typing might be the best thing, but the other thing has been with the screen, because now the screen is in quite big angle, so getting there to the screen has some issues still for me. So I always have to like really concentrate going to the screen and then going back to the keyboard like this all the time. So it's taking its time. When I'm using the stylus, it's a bit easier, as you don't have to go that much down there, so I can nicely just scroll stuff and then move my hands here. But definitely more movement than with a slider. As here I can type. Let's say I'm typing web address, then I just picking it. I don't raise my hand so much as on the tablet mode. But learning, testing. One thing, by the way, I have to show you immediately is that I have iGo here and UMID here, and I don't think you see it on video, but the UMID screen is much brighter. So in outside use this might be better. I will film you outside use video soon when I have the Villiv S5 here, so we can compare all these three on outside use. But right now UMID looks to be brighter. One other issue was that actually it came with XP Pro SP2. I bought this from eBay, and it needed to be upgraded to SP3 to use the Wi-Fi, as the Wi-Fi is not, this Wi-Fi chip is not supported on SP2, so it was a weird thing, but actually quite easy thing when I figured it out. So it's now fixed. The Wi-Fi is working right now on these settings. I don't know why, but when I boot this up or come back to standby, I have to always press this Wi-Fi button to enable the Wi-Fi again. But that's not been that big issue. Let's hope it will never be. So one really good thing I have to mention is that the processing power on this device is much better than on the iGo. On terms of use, I have embedded XP with write filtering on iGo, and full XP Pro without any modifications here on UMID, and still it feels a bit faster in some occasions. Sometimes iGo feels faster, but if you have normal XP Pro on iGo, it will be much slower, and that's because this has better CPU. My model has the 1.1 GHz 8-ohm CPU, but the chipset and the graphics are much better on this one. So processing power wise, it's cool. The good test always is on web use, launching the Engadget. So typically if you have problems, you can't start scrolling immediately. So as you can see, it works fine. No lagging, no stupid stuff on usage. So ADOM, even on a smaller clock rate, is cool on this kind of device. Of course, the faster SSD helps a lot. So this SSD is like a 50 read, 30 write, where on iGo it's only like 30 read, 10 write. So the SSD is better. Of course, as the SSD is bigger, this one has 16 GB SSD. I can use Hibernation and stuff like that. Hibernations and sleep speed is okay, so let's put this now first to sleep. Standby on XP, of course, so goes to sleep like that. Then let's press it, nope, and it comes back pretty nicely. There we go. And let's do the hibernation. Shift click. Takes some time, of course, to go in hibernation, but I think it's good to show how much time it needs. Preparing, going now, and the lights are still on. Let's wait a few more secs. The lights are not that bright, as you can see. Might be it's a nice thing on dark that lights are not too bright. Now it's there. Now it's hibernated, but sometimes in a daylight it's hard to see what's going on. Now I'm pressing the power. So the BIOS was there. Now resuming. And there. So that was fine. And again, I have to press this wireless button to enable the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So have to. So as you can see, the brightness setting is quite good. You can see the brightness there. Volume could be louder, but it's something, of course. The plastics, I still don't like the design. I'm just really well, it just doesn't fit my eyes. And one problem, of course, this is not available with 3G, so actually starting in next 5 minutes I will open this up and start to modify it to get the 3G modem inside it. So of course I will show you that on video later. Cool, so this was my first impressions of this UMID M1 Mbook. So far so good, but so far also some learning and some different feels. Of course the plastic is still not my liking. It's shiny and it's not that quality feel, but maybe I grow with it. Let's see. Okay, that was all for now. Thank you for watching. More next time. Bye.